got this, Rome. We've been up there. We've been in the elevator.
What about that cross?
Ah, here we are. We're gonna go to that place.
Aren't you actually in the storeroom though?
No, I'm in the first floor. I need to get to the third floor.
Okay.
And then we can enter the third floor, so... Alright.
I bet that looks like shit.
Okay. Which door am I at? I need to know which door I'm running. Nah, it's not going to be a good door. I'll have to use the other one. Yeah, we got this door. You ain't getting me, bitches. I got these fucking fights that... Oh my god, this is difficult. Third floor.
As there's a fucking break in the stairs.
Not even close. Okay, through that door. God damn, why is that loading screen?